Hello friends! With all the madness going on in the world right now, I think today is the perfect day to take some time for yourself and read a book or take a bubble bath or make some 3-ingredient truffles for yourself or make them for a friend. These truffles literally require only 3 ingredients, which are Medjool dates, some coconut oil, and some cocoa powder. Now, the unsweetened shredded coconut that I'm showing you here, I'm going to be using for decorative purposes, which I'll be showing you later on as well. But for the most part, you only need these 3 ingredients. First, I added all of the dates into the blender with a couple tablespoons of cocoa powder just to start processing the mixture. Once your mixture starts to bind together, you can stop, add a little bit of the coconut oil, add a little bit more of the cocoa powder, and then continue mixing again. And you're going to keep doing this until you're out of ingredients. Once you've used up all of the coconut oil and all of the cocoa powder, you should have something that looks like this. Once I've set the truffle mixture to the side, I put a little bit of cocoa powder in one bowl, a little bit of the shredded unsweetened coconut in another bowl, and I also set aside a little bit of coconut oil. The coconut oil is only for you to use to grease your hands, because if your hands are dry, the truffle mixture is going to stick to your hands while you're trying to form the truffle shapes. Once I was done shaping all of the truffles, I came out to about 16 truffles and I think an overall 11 ounces of product. So over here I'm using my Maldon sea salt flakes, but you can really use even table salt if you wanted to. But I put 5 to the side and I sprinkled a little bit of the flakes on top of that. Then I took another 5 and I just rolled them around in the cocoa powder. And then the last 6 I rolled around in the coconut flakes. Because this is such a simple recipe, it leaves so much room to be able to elevate it and make it so much more gourmet if you wanted to. I actually saw tons of recipes and online videos where people were adding dried fruit and dried nuts on the inside of it. I saw people decorating it with pistachios and white chocolate chips and all sorts of other things. The things that I'm showing you just so happen to be what I have in my pantry, but you can decorate these and add whatever ingredients you have in your pantry to make it your own recipe. And these are how my truffles came out. Comment below and let me know how you guys would have done these differently, or what ingredients you would have added to make them your own. And until my next video, I hope you guys stay safe and don't forget to spread a little bit of positivity today.